Aloha, Hawaii. It's Robert F. Kennedy Jr. here. I was honored to visit with so many of you early this year. I met some extraordinary people, and I especially remember Auntie Blanche, who houses homeless people in Oahu. I spent a day with her at her encampment, and I got to meet all of her friends, and of course, Eddy Garcia, a farmer in Maui who's one of the most extraordinary advocates that I've met during my entire lifetime, which is saying a lot. And Eddy's been helping the people who were evacuated or expelled because of the fire. People like Eddy and Auntie Blanche have given me a deeper understanding of what aloha actually means. But I learned a lot that troubled me too. Lots of Hawaiians, especially young people, work very, very hard and they still can't afford to buy a house. Or even worse, they have to leave the state because the cost of living is so much higher than on the mainland. Hawaii's affordability crisis isn't just housing, it's also food. 90% of Hawaii's food is imported. But why? You have a year-round growing season, you have rich soils, you have good water, you have so much fertile land. We can change that, but we need to start by loosening the corporate stranglehold on your state so that we can draw more fully on the ancestral wisdom and the agricultural practices in harmony with Aina, the land. As an environmental activist and attorney, I've been working alongside indigenous people and community leaders for over 4 years. I stood with the people of Puerto Rico against the Navy. I've successfully battled corporations like Monsanto who have used Hawaii as a petri dish for their worst concoctions. Hawaiians are more aware than anyone else about the generational harms inflicted by runaway corporate power and pesticide poisoning. When I'm president, the rules of the game that put power over people will change. I'm going to get toxic pollution and plastic waste out of our food, out of our waters, and our soil and our air. I'm going to incentivize farmers in Hawaii and beyond to make a major shift to high-yielding organic regenerative agriculture. In addition, I'm going to establish a program to make home ownership more affordable so middle-class families and young Hawaiians can no longer be priced out of paradise. I believe that Hawaii has a lot to teach our whole country through the spirit of aloha, a spirit that respects diversity and unity and opportunity and innovation. We need all of those things in this time when extreme divisions threaten to tear our country apart. Mahalo.